In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front inner wheel liner on a Honda CR-V, which is located above the wheel. After you raised and supported your vehicle safely, you have 5 lug nuts. These are 19mm lug nuts. You need to remove those. Take your wheel off, put it off to the side. After raising and supporting the vehicle and removing your wheel liner is held on by a bunch of clips, fasteners, and screws. We're going to start off by taking the 3 screws here for this mud flap off on the right. That mud flap could just come straight off. Now you have a couple of fasteners here. These come out in 2 pieces sometimes, so if it does, it's okay. This one came out in 1. Then you have a Phillips screw here on the top. You have a clip right here on the top, right next to your strut. Now you have a clip here on your left side. And straight over here. There's one supposed to be here, ours is missing. Then you have another one out here towards your fender well. Then you have a screw on the bottom here. Then you have 2 in the front underneath your bumper here, ours are missing, here and here. Once you remove all your screws and your fasteners, you can just pull towards you. And that's your wheel liner. Take your wheel liner, start on the right-hand side, tuck it into this piece here. You can start your screw just to hold it in place while you install the rest of it, like that. Take your fender liner, peel this piece back, and it's going to go in between that and the fender itself, like that. Same thing up here, in between the 2 pieces. You can start putting your clips in to hold it. Then up top here, now you can remove your screw, install your mud flap. Tighten those 3 Phillips screws. Tighten your Phillips screw up top. You need to tuck this piece behind this tab, just like you did in the other 2. Now you can install these clips. Install your bottom clip here, and the one in the middle here, then the one on the outside here, then you have your screw in here, tuck your piece under here. Now your 2 in front, right at your front bumper. Take your wheel, slide it over your lug nut studs, install your lug nuts by hand. Give those a snug. After you load your vehicle and your tire is on the ground, you want to torque these lug nuts at 80 foot-pounds. You want to do that in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.